Okay, we'll be using the onboard temperature sensor. This is the page you'll be using. At the top right, click on fork. This will copy it to your account. Then once it's copied, you can go to Visual Studio Code, View, Command Template, Git Clone from GitHub. You should see an entry for the onboard temp. Click on that, then select a place to save. Then you can add it to the current workspace. Okay, you open the main CPP for the onboard temp. So this is the code. You'll be reading the values from the onboard temperature sensor. Click on the upload to compile. Okay, remember to change the environment. So at the bottom, click to select the onboard temp. Then upload. Okay, if you see this error, then we have to specify the upload port using the INI file. After updating, then you can click upload again. Okay, if it's successful, then you can open the serial port, serial monitor to see the values received from the onboard temperature sensor. Enter the COM port. So that's the temperature being read from the onboard temperature sensor. Okay, so that's how to use the temperature sensor.